In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a WordPress theme. We'll start inside the WordPress site editor, working on the blog home template. This is the full site editing area where you can change your theme's layout and design without touching code. If you're not already there, open your site editor and load the blog home template so you can see the header and content in context. First, open the on-screen controls you see highlighted to reveal the editor's options for this template. Next, switch to the theme options you see on the screen. This ensures that the adjustments you're about to make follow your theme's styling rules so everything stays consistent across your site. Now, select the header area by clicking the highlighted section at the top of the page. Within the header, click the site logo block. This is where you'll control the logo image that appears on every page. Then click the site title block so you can review how your title sits alongside the logo. If your title and logo don't look aligned yet, don't worry, we're about to fix that. Open the highlighted settings in the headers toolbar to access layout controls. Then choose the option labeled Justify Items, Center. This centers the contents of your header so the logo and site title sit neatly in the middle, giving your site a clean, balanced look. With alignment set, let's add or update the logo. Click Choose Logo in the Site Logo block, then select Open Media Library. In the library, click the image you want to use as your logo. After selecting it, confirm the choice using the highlighted button you see on screen to apply it to the header. A quick tip while you're here. Logos with a transparent background, ideally square and high resolution, tend to look best across different devices, though you can always crop within WordPress if needed. Once your logo is in place and alignment looks good, return to the blog home view so you can preview your changes in the context of the full template. Take a moment to scan the header spacing and make sure the title, logo, and navigation feel balanced. If something looks off, you can reselect the header or either block and fine-tune spacing or size from the same controls you used. When you're happy with everything, click Save. WordPress will confirm the changes you've made to the template and blocks. Approve those prompts to publish your updates. That's it. Your theme's header is now centered, styled with theme-level settings, and updated with your chosen logo.